Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to replace the screen of a PSP 1000. To do this, we need to remove the front plate and its various screws. It has one at the bottom and 6 on the back. One here, another here, and 4 more here behind the battery. To get to those, we need to remove the cover, the battery, and here are the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On some PSPs, the warranty sticker is still on. On this one, it isn't. To remove it, you can use a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol and it comes off easily. Grab a screwdriver and remove the screws. For the top screws, the one on the left is long and black, different from the one on its right. The one on the right is smaller and silver. At the bottom, it's the exact same order. This one didn't want to come out. I kept trying. If it doesn't come out, no problem. It was already loose, so when we remove the front plate, it will come out on its own. The 2 on the right are also big and black. Once removed, we're just missing the bottom one. This one is also different. It's silver with an orange line. And carefully, slowly, we'll try to remove the front plate. It popped off here, now we just need to work it all the way around. Be careful here with the edges. And there you go, it's off. After taking it off, let's move on to removing the screen. Right now, we still can't take the screen out. We first need to remove the bottom bar with the home and start buttons. Here I need to remove it, it's connected on the right. You don't need to disconnect it on the right, though some people do. What you do need is a flathead screwdriver so we can force the bar to pop out here. Like you see here. There are several ways to do this, but this is the one I find easiest. I turn the PSP upside down and carefully apply some pressure to the right side, and it'll pop out. It popped, made a click, it's done. Here it's a bit stuck due to the PSP's own adhesive, but it came out, and I'll leave it connected like this. Some people disconnect it, I don't. I turn it back around, and now we can tackle the screen. To remove the screen, it has 4 pins. It's connected on 4 sides. 1, 2, here on this right side, and 3, 4. To do this, I apply pressure here on the right side, insert my flathead screwdriver, and pull up. Once it's lifted, you just make a downward diagonal movement, and it'll come out. There's also a bit of adhesive here, so it'll take a little longer. But there, it popped out, we're good. Now, I advise holding the screen like this so you don't damage the ribbon cable. We have to remove these 2. You can either use your fingernail if you find it easier or stick with the screwdriver. Pull up, and on the other one, pull up as well. With these locking tabs open, just pull the screen. Once the screen is out, it's done. Now we can swap it. We grab the new screen we want to install, and the process is the same but in reverse. Put the cables back in. I usually put the small one in first, then the big one. I find it easier. When putting the small one in, I try to align the big one. Once it's in, close the locking tabs again. I close the right one. And now on the left, I pull it in slowly so it sits right. Once it's right, I can lay the screen down. Press on the left, press on the right, and it's secured again. Close the home bar again. And it's done. Now we just need to put the front plate back on. Making sure the joystick is positioned like this. And carefully, I usually start at the bottom and then go up. Slowly without forcing it, so nothing breaks. It will sit into place. The right side here wasn't sitting right. With a little force, it settled, and it's done. At this point, we just need to put the screws back in, and the screen is replaced. The 4 here, the 2 from here, and that one at the bottom. Remember that the ones on the left are the large black ones. To the right of those black ones are the small ones, and then on the right side of the entire PSP are the black ones too. Don't forget that the bottom one is that silver one with orange lines. Done. Now just put the battery in, put the cover on, and if all goes well, it's working. I confess I was a bit worried here, but it turned on. Everything is okay. Thank you very much. See you next time.